Yes. Well, in the lockdown, one thing we've learned is that we want good food. If not anything else, हम सब बंद थे, but everybody was experimenting with food. So it's lovely to be here, and it's festivity time and pre-Christmas, and we've all not been dressing up and going out. So we all look for a chance to get out and experience a nice evening with friends, and it's been really long. And yeah, so I'm really happy to be here. Yes, yes. I'm a sucker for Italian food. I love Italian food. I mean, Indian food, of course, is my always my favorite because we've grown up with Indian food. But second to Indian food is pasta and yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Who's your photographer?
Merry
Shall we
Christmas.
take a picture? Which is your photographer? Hi, sweetie.
Oh, baby.
This side? Okay. Hi, Meenaksha.
I'm really not dressed.
Ready?
Hi, Bella.
Yeah, run.
You were also waiting.
Ritu, Ayush is with the bar.
Ayush, is that the bar?
Ready? So मैम लॉकडाउन के बाद इतना इवेंट पे आ रहे हैं आप after such a long time. It's a launch of Food Expert. What do you say?
I think it's great. I always attend almost every event of Ranjit's that I can, and every event is a super success. So I'm expecting the same from this one. And since it's all about food, I mean that's my place to be. Like, that's the best.
Coming back to food, what's your favorite like cuisine you can say?
My favorite cuisine is maybe seafood and a little bit of seafood, a little bit of Italian, a little bit of Indian, everything, as long as it's food.
As you know, Food Expert is launching today. What wishes last year?
What?
It's launching today, right? So what wishes you want to give it?
What wishes I want to? I wish them all the very best, and I'm sure it's going to be great, and people are going to love it. And yeah, I mean, all the best, and keep killing it as usual.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
मैम किनका wishes Dinasha मैम यहाँ पर Done? Done? Thank you.
I'm done. I'm done, right? Oh, okay. Please.
Say the year is ending and festivities begun a little bit. People have started moving out, and you're here for the launch of Food Expert. What do you have to say?
The heels are killing me because after almost 7 months I'm stepping out for an event and it feels good. It does. It makes you feel alive and being in front of camera again. And yeah, I'm looking forward to this because food is something that never goes out of fashion. And I'm tired of eating homemade food, so this is fun to taste some outside food
You
now.
are a great foodie and you cook very well. And when it comes to food, what do you think that something that is simple and something your favorite?
My favorite, I guess, food. Yeah, I guess good food made from the heart is probably it always turns out to be good. So yeah, I guess that's my favorite.
Thank you, Sayya, and we love it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you.
So, talking about the launch today of your Food Expert, what do you have to say?
I'm pretty excited because I'm a Bengali and I'm a foodie. So I'm looking forward to some interesting, things to, sample, taste, and eat. And apart from that, this is a very, very good venture. I'm glad I'm here for the unveiling of the logo. And let's see how the evening goes. I'm looking forward to a lot of good food. So let's see.
So we have Padmashri Sanjeev Kapoor launching. Have you been a fan of his cooking or his style of?
Who hasn't? I mean, he is the biggest name in Indian culinary, I guess, in the cooking world, and I think all over the world also. He's one of the most renowned names. So definitely, I'm looking forward to it, and because it is Sanjeev Kapoor sir, so I'm really looking forward to it because he's known to be one of the biggest names in our country and one of the top names in the world. So there's definitely a lot I'm looking forward to.
Are you missing the Big Boss house, Jan?
Yeah, I am, and but I'm glad I got out at the right time. I'll be very honest because the current scenario, the players that have come in right now, they are really down to business right from the first day itself. They mean business, and they've upped the game a lot. So all the best to the contestants who've already been in the season from the beginning, and to the new challengers. I mean, y'all are really entertaining us a lot. So kudos to you all.
जान सलमान सर का बर्थडे आने वाला है तो
Yeah.
कुछ आपकी तरफ से विश और एक गाना हो जाए कि आप मिले सलमान सर
मैं अब तक सलमान सर से मिला नहीं हूँ, हालांकि मेरे उनसे मिलने के प्लान्स हैं बहुत जल्दी. आई एम इन टच विथ सर्स टीम एंड होपफुली सून आई विल मीट हिम. एज फॉर सर्स बर्थडे, आई थिंक वी आर ब्लेस्ड कि सलमान सर हमारे इंडस्ट्री में हमारे कंट्री में वो पैदा हुआ. एक्चुअली आई थिंक वी आर ब्लेस्ड बिकॉज ही इज़ गिवन अस सच ब्यूटीफुल सिनेमा फॉर एज लॉन्ग एज आई कैन रिमेंबर. आई थिंक जनरेशन आफ्टर जनरेशन उनके फैंस रहे हैं, एंड आई थिंक आगे भी काफ़ी मतलब आई गेस फॉर लाइक द नेक्स्ट एटलीस्ट 20 generations वी आर ऑल गोइंग टू बी सलमान खान फैंस. सो सलमान सर, इफ़ यू आर वॉचिंग दिस, थैंक यू फॉर द वर्क you've done. Thank you for giving us so many lovely films. Wish you a very happy birthday. And a personal favorite of mine, जो मेरे डैड ने गाया सलमान सर के लिए, आई थिंक आप लोग सबको पता ही होगा, हम दिल दे चुके सनम का ये सॉन्ग है. सो आई थिंक मैं इसके 2 लाइन्स गुनगुनाना चाहूँगा आप लोगों के लिए. आँखों की गुस्ताखियाँ माफ़ हो, टिक टुक तुम्हें देखती है, जो बात कहना चाहे जुबां तुमसे ये वो कहती है. That's my wish for Salman sir. Any other questions? Yeah, sure.
Binafsha, you met Jan? Jan, that's Binafsha.
Hello. Always good to
We
meet
do
you.
picture
Hello.
together. Picture करना
Please come. Here or here? Okay.
यहाँ पे भी विजुअल्स इधर भी देखो. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे भी. सबको मिल गए विजुअल्स. आ जाइए, आगे आ जाइए. तो नहीं, मैंने आगे कुछ आने तो आगे.
Massive crash.
Done?
1 second, I think 1 second.
जान यहाँ पर आप आए इतने दिनों के बाद